again, I'm Abby. I'm your student physical therapist today. Before we begin, can I get your permission to record this video for educational purposes?
Yes.
Wonderful. And do I have permission to just like touch your arm and chest and back for the purpose of this video?
Absolutely.
Great. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking your pulse, blood pressure, and just listening to some lung sounds. And so can I first just see some forms of ID for you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's great. Thank you. Perfect. Passport, wonderful. And I performed hand hygiene before, this got stuck to my sweater, before starting this video. All right, so I'm just going to be putting this blood pressure cuff on, and then we'll begin. Right over brachial artery. And can you just put your arm up like this? Perfect. Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So first things first, I'm just gonna just be checking your pulse, all right? All right, and you are at 56 beats per minute. All right, so I'm just gonna pump the thing up. All right. And that was the radial artery. Next thing that I'm gonna be doing is checking your artery and pumping this up. That's called radial obliteration. Wonderful. All right. Now I'm just gonna listen to your blood pressure. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking your blood pressure. All right.
Absolutely.
All right. So I'm just gonna press this here. I'm gonna be pumping this up between 150 and 160. This is over the cubital fossa. And that was 118 over 65. All right, so next thing we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna have you sit, and we're just gonna have to move some things around. So can you sit up for me? And I'm just gonna actually sit on this chair. And yeah, can you sit on the chair? And then we had to do some creative furniture moving, and just so what I'm going to have you do, can you rest your arm right on top of that chair so your arm is the same level as your heart. I'm just going to put the blood pressure cuff back on. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Is that comfortable? And you can relax it onto the chair. I know the video can't see very well, but his arm is propped up at the same level as his heart. And place the stethoscope in position. That was a little lower at 115 over 65. All right. So we're just going to be doing the standing one next. We're just going to be doing some chair arranging to get the arm at the level of his heart. This should be about right. So can you prop your arm right up there? Perfect. Up arm again. This one right here. All right, one last one, okay? So you actually experience a pretty big drop in blood pressure when you sit up. It was about 100 over 70 that time.
Okay.
So yeah, it's pretty normal. A lot of people just have a drop in blood pressure when they stand up. All right. So next thing we're gonna have you do. Can you sit on the table for me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Perfect. So we're gonna be doing some lung sounds, all right?
Okay.
All right. We're just gonna be listening to some lung sounds now. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what I want you to do, can you just breathe in and breathe out, like just a big deep breath. And I did perform hand hygiene as well, so just a heads up. So yeah, that's exactly what you're gonna be doing, and I'm just gonna listen to some of your breath sounds, all right? So the first one is the apical segments. We're gonna be putting it over the clavicle on either side. All right, can you breathe in? Perfect, and then other side. All right, next one is the superior lobe, which is about at T3, or about the third rib. So about here. All right, can you breathe in? Doing great. And then other side. All right, and then on the right side for this one, it's the middle lobe, and on the left side is the lingula. So we're going to start with about the xiphoid process and then move superiorly and laterally. So right about here. And then one more time. All right, you're doing great. Last one for these is the basilar segment of the lower lobe, so right around here. All right, can you breathe in? One more time. Fantastic. All right, so we did all 8 segments on the front. Can you turn around? Just flip your feet around to the other side. And we're going to be doing the back. All right, so we're going to be doing the posterior section now. So we're going to start at the apical. So that is above the spine of the scapula, which is right here. All right, can you breathe in? Beautiful. And one more time. Lovely, lovely breath sounds. Next is the superior lobe on either side. Right. That's at about T3. Right. You doing it? Okay. Next is the superior portion of the lower lobe, right, which is about between T3 and T7. So it's about here. I'll do it again. Breathe. One more time. Next is the basilar section of the lower lobe, right here, about T10. Right, breathe. You're doing great. Notice a lot of breathing. And then the last one is the basilar lateral section. So you just go from the basilar section and move laterally. All right, move one more time. And last one, just a second. Right there. All right. All right, you did great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.